Prime Minister, thank you very much indeed for your kind words. Yeah, I'm afraid I brought snow to Ljubljana this morning, but I thank you very much for a warm welcome. I have been looking very much forward to visiting Slovenia right at the beginning of this important year, 2014. This year we mark, as you mentioned, the 10th anniversary of Slovenia's accession to NATO. Your accession, together with 6 other nations, has reinforced regional and Euro-Atlantic security. Over this past decade, you have shown yourself to be a dedicated and dependable ally. Slovenia has made a strong contribution to our mission in Kosovo. You have played your part in our mission in Afghanistan. I know that one of your soldiers was injured recently. I wish him speedy recovery, and let me take this opportunity to express our gratitude for the service and sacrifice of your servicemen and women in Afghanistan. We are very grateful for Slovenia's long-standing contribution to our mission in Afghanistan. Your soldiers have made a difference, and we highly appreciate that commitment to our mission in Afghanistan. And you have also enriched our political debates and our partnerships. I thank you for your dedication and your commitment, and I look forward to further strong engagement this year as we prepare for a very important NATO summit in the United Kingdom. In September, we will meet in Wales to shape future NATO. We will take decisions to make sure that our alliance is ready, robust, and rebalanced, fit to face whatever threats we encounter. For 65 years, NATO has provided the security foundation on which freedom, democracy, and prosperity have flourished in Europe. And we cannot take our security for granted. At the Wales Summit, we will build on past achievements to face the challenges of the future. We will turn a new page in our relationship with Afghanistan as we conclude our combat mission there and remain committed to help Afghanistan in different ways in the years to come. We will make our relationship with our partner countries even broader, deeper, and stronger, so that we build on the experience of 20 years of operating together. And we will make sure that we have the capabilities we need to tackle the full range of threats, including missile defense and cyber defense. I know the economic hardship which many allies have suffered, including Slovenia. And I'm grateful for your continued support to our operations despite the tough times. Slovenia is also contributing to key NATO initiatives, such as our allied ground surveillance program to acquire unarmed reconnaissance drones. And this is the way forward to pool our resources and our expertise so that we develop together the capabilities which we would not be able to afford alone. Security has a cost, but the price of insecurity is much, much higher. So, Prime Minister, I count on your continued active and positive engagement as we prepare a successful summit in September. Thank you.